Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save your WordPress website backups to the Google Drive. So now let me go here, and here you can see this is my demo website on WordPress. So now let me go and log in into my website, and let me add here username and password. And now make sure that you have installed this plugin Updraft Plus. So here you can see this one, I have some backups. So to create a backup on Google Drive, you need to click on settings. Then here you can schedule your backups on daily basis, as well as you can select custom time. Then scroll down. Here you can see these are the platforms where you can easily store your backup files. So if you want to save your backup on Google Drive, then you can select this one. Then scroll down. So whatever name you want to add, you can easily do that. Then click here sign in with Google. Click on complete setup. Then scroll down. So you need to select the files. So let me select all of these. Then scroll down. Click here save changes. So now let's go back and click on backup. Then click here backup now. So now backup is complete, and here you can see this one, and it is stored in Google Drive. So let's go and check here. Here you can see Updraft folder is available, and inside Updraft Plus, so these are all the files that we have used in backup.